comes to selling like interior exterior protection products like a Zeridium or some type of thing like that, number one, when you're selling these, the key is to sell it to everybody or to offer it to everybody, right? So I am a pretty frugal guy. I like to wear nice clothes. If I'm going to buy a tie and I know that's what I need is a tie, I typically don't go out and have a price range for a tie of $80. However, I've bought in suits before, and after I've spent $800 on a suit, $80 tie doesn't seem that expensive. So the expensive ties that I have are when I've bought a suit because I've spent all that money. Hey, why not? I spent that much money. Why not get a tie that matches it perfectly, right? So I've done that in the past. So offer it to everybody you just don't know. They may have been super tight on the payments with you because they actually wanted to afford a protection product, okay? That's the first thing. So offer it to everyone. 100% of the shots, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Number two is let's make sure that we tease it. Okay, so when we do the trade-in, let's use that as the tease, right? So when we're looking at the trade-in, when we see little dents and things, it's a good point for us to ask if, hey, look, did you have the vehicle protected with some type of protection product? If it's Zeridium or if it's a Z-Bart or whatever it is, did you have the vehicle protected with Z-Bart, with Zeridium? No, what is that? Well, it's an interior and exterior protection product that most of our customers take advantage of. Typically ends up increasing the value of the vehicles anywhere from $300 to $700. It would take care of little dents like this if those had happened whenever you own the vehicle. So remind me to tell you about it when we go to the business office. So we've teased it, and it's just a tease. We don't sell it there. And so we kind of just put that thought in their head. And then after we sell it, one of the best things to do is point of purchase visuals. So they've got a car out there, they've actually put spray paint on the car, and then you walk over there, you show the customer, hey look, you know, this car was protected with this protection product, this car was not. If we had spray painted this car, which we didn't, it wouldn't come off, but look what happens here, and you actually do the point of purchase stuff. They've developed that point of purchase stuff because it's a great visual aid, so go ahead and take advantage of it.